In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your billing information on Squarespace. If you're new to Squarespace, or just need a refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure you have a seamless experience updating your billing preferences. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Ensure that you're logged into your account, as this will give you access to all the options you need to make changes. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your initials displayed there. Click on your initials. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select the Account Dashboard. The Account Dashboard is essentially the control center for your Squarespace account, where you can manage the nitty-gritty details such as billing. Next, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, select Settings. It's a straightforward link, but very crucial for navigating to the billing section. Once you're on the Settings page, locate the Billing panel. You will typically find this among the options listed after selecting Settings. In the Billing panel, go ahead and click on Subscriptions. Now that you've opened the Subscriptions page, you'll accurately see the details of your current plan. Here is where you can view your subscription details and make changes. Under the subscription plan, you'll see an option that says Change. Clicking this will provide you the ability to switch plans if needed. Once you've clicked Change, a variety of options will appear for you. Squarespace offers different types of plans, and you can choose a new one if you're looking to upgrade or downgrade. Perhaps you were initially on a monthly cycle, but have decided an annual plan suits you better due to the savings it usually offers. Or maybe you'd prefer to stick with your current plan and simply tweak some billing details. The option is entirely up to you. After you've made your choice, it's time to review your changes. Squarespace will provide a summary of your order to ensure everything looks good. Double-check the details, as this is your last chance to make any changes before confirming. When you are satisfied with all the adjustments, click Confirm and Purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your Squarespace billing information. By following these steps, you can now have peace of mind knowing your billing preferences are precisely how you want them to be. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about managing your Squarespace account, feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.